Welcome to Sus Vlog channel, and of course, welcome to my vlog for today. In today's video for Sus Vlog, finally, dumating na yung aking order online na favorite white shoes kasi I really want to tell you guys that before it's too easy for me to go in the shop to buy a shoes what I like, especially during summer season. But this time, nagkaroon nga kasi ng problema dito sa Moscow, Russia. And some of the brands, clothing brands, shoes are really closed. Not totally closed, is only here in Moscow, nag-close sila. Like for example, H&M, Zara, one of these two brands that I really like to buy some clothes and jeans and so on. Like for example as well, Nike shoes, Adidas, Reebok, all these brand new name are closed here in Moscow for this time. Pwede ka naman mag-order. You can order it through online, but it take a time. Like for example, this shoes is arrived with me more than a month. Ayan. So let's open up my favorite shoes. So ayan, para meron tayong vlog for today. O, diba? may naka-join pang ano, ewan ko, what is it? So, ayan, ang aking. This is 1 month. I think, yeah, it's 1 month before arrive. The first I ordered is a little bit big. So, I exchanged. And finally, for the second time, ano na siya, okay na sa aking paa. Finally. So, ayun. I-broke na natin ang aking favorite white shoes. Ayan, ang aking Nike. Actually, I have also Nike before, but it's already old. So, I need to order a new one. And, ayan, dumating na siya, finally. After a month, more than a month. I think 1.5. Because at first, as I told you guys, it's a little bit big. And of course, I don't want to wear big on my foot. So, I exchanged. We took a lot of conversation to be exact on my foot this time. And finally, actually yesterday, I already tried on my foot when they arrived. I just don't have time to take some video. And this time, of course, yan. Yan. Finally. My favorite, I don't care another brands, but my favorite brands is Nike. I have also Reebok shoes. I will show you also here. So welcome for my vlog today. Ayan, nahanap ko yung New Balance ko na ano din. Before, paborit ko siya, pero hindi ko na siya masyadong nagagamit din ngayon kasi I don't know, I just found myself I like white color, especially during summertime. Yan, kasi dati kasi madaling magbili ngayon. Ngayon nahihirapan kami kasi nga yung mga, as I told you earlier na ano, mahirap magbili ngayon ng yung mga branded na shoes kasi ano. Ayun na nga guys, very affected here sa ibang mga brand clothing, shoes and so on. So, ayan. So, I think that's all for today's video, guys. For Sus Vlog channel, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa walang sawang support kay Sus Vlog. And see you with my white shoes tomorrow. Nandun siya kay Teddy Bear. Malinis pa naman siya. Hindi ko pa naman siya nagagamit sa labas. So, it's okay. So, thank you everyone. Bye-bye from Sus Vlog channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Actually, this is only a few of my shoes collection. Yung some is mga boots, yung mga ganun. Lalo pag summer, ay pag winter. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat. God bless. So, ito yung mga collection ni shoes. Ano, yung Reebok kong shoes, hindi ko siya masyadong ni-use, especially pag mga mahabang lakaran kasi medyo, ano, tawag ito. I don't know, I don't feel comfortable. So, most of the time, I didn't use it. And, ayan yung isa kong collection na Nike na minsan ginagamit ko sa during a little bit, yung a little bit cold. Kasi para siyang pang winter kasi meron siyang warmer sa loob. So, ayan. Napalitan na ang aking Nike na shoes. And of course, ito yung isang, another favorite shoes ko din na Reebok. Ayan. I don't know, but sometimes I feel, that's why sometimes it's very difficult for me to find a shoes to be exact on my foot. Kasi pag hindi ako comfortable, kahit maganda siya, or kahit hindi ko masyadong ginagamit, naka-stock lang. Katulad nitong Reebok na yan, matagal na yan sa akin, pero hindi ko siya masyadong ni-use. I don't know, maybe I will just bring that one in when I take holiday and I give to someone else in my family. I don't know. But the white Nike, I really like it. It's really fit on my foot and I feel comfortable. This one is a bit long time already to me, but this is one of my favorite before. Ayan, kasi high cut siya. Yung Nike. Mayroon pa akong isang Nike doon, but it's already old. Yun yung lagi kong ginagamit everyday na white din. White shoes din. But then, I think one time I used it that one on one of my dress. In this one, pag nag-jeans naman ako, ito yung ginagamit ko minsan. Pag nag-jeans ako, pag ayaw kong maglagay ng boots, yung high cut boot na short lang siya. So, yun. Yun ang ginagamit ko. So, yun. That's all for today's video, guys. Pusus Vlog Channel. And, of course, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Na-share ang mga collection, Actually, I have different kind of, color. Meron akong Adidas. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung meron ako? Nakalimutan ko na. Nike. Marami akong Nike. May blue din akong Nike na collection but I don't know where is it. Hindi ko rin siya masyadong ginagamit pero color blue siya. Like blue.